welcome back to a new episode of KidBits. Today I'm going to show you how you can get started with Scratch, where to find it, and how to create an account so you can keep track of your projects and create amazing stuff. So let's go. So here we are on the Google homepage, and in order to reach to the Scratch homepage, we simply need to type in the following address into the address bar, is scratch.mit.edu, and then you press enter. Here we are. This is the Scratch homepage, and now here you can do two things. Either you go immediately to create and start working on your project. However, I don't recommend that because then you can't save it. Or you go over here and you click on Join Scratch. That will allow you to create an account, and then you will be able to save your projects. For this, you will need the help of your parents. So if you want to create an account, I'll ask you to ask your parents to help you with that, because you're going to need an email address. So that's also the reason why I'm not going to demonstrate that here now, because that's for your parents to do. Okay. I will now sign in with my account because I already have one. My username and password, of course. And then I can show you the dashboard. Yeah. So this is the dashboard when you sign in. I will show you now where you will find all your projects if you already have saved some. So this is your folder where all your projects will be located. As you can see, I already have a few, and now we're going to move over to create and look at the Scratch editor together. So this is the Scratch editor, and before we continue, like for example, if for some reason the platform is not in your language and you want to put it in your language, you can simply go up here where you have this gear wheel and it says settings. Then you can click on here, and the sign with the globe where it says language, then we'll have a list of all kinds of different languages. Or maybe you want to learn a different language, or you're bilingual, who knows, you can set it to a different language right here. Okay, so now let's take a look at the really basic elements of this editor. So all the way on the left we have our command categories, all like divided into color groups basically. And then right next to that we have the actual commands, which are kind of like puzzle pieces that you can put together and build programs in that way. And those puzzle pieces you're going to put together right here, which is the scripting area. And next to that we have our canvas, where we're going to see all our animations, our games, all that. And this is where we're going to see our characters, the so-called sprites. And this is the mascot, the cat. You can also move this around. And then below that we have the sprites attributes, like we can change the name, we can see the location of the cat on the canvas. We have like a show property, if it is shown or not, then the size of it and the direction where the cat is pointing. Okay, then we have here the stage, which means like the backdrop that is selected right now. Right now it's just an empty backdrop, it's just white, but down here we can actually add the backdrop, and next to that we can add a sprite. This is the sprite list. Every sprite you're going to add to the project will be listed right here next to each other, and that's about it. Well, I hope this was helpful. I hope this gave you a little overview of how you can start with Scratch. And I thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at Kipits.